There's a major issue I found when many people make smash burgers. The issue is that at times it comes out too dry. Well, I have a good recipe for you today, and it is a butter basted smash burger. Yes, this is foolproof, and you will not dry out your burger with this one, and I hope you make it. So, without further ado, let's make this shit. Okay, so for today, I'm gonna put an apron on because I keep ruining all my damn shirts. So for today, I'm making Wagyu smashed burgers. Yes, Wagyu smashed burgers. And here's the thing, I'm gonna be basting them, and I am going to make a really, really good sauce to go with them as well. So, trying a little bit different approach than I'm normally used to. And let's hope it works out. Let's hope I don't screw this up, okay? So, stay tuned and let's make this shit. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and start off by chopping up some cilantro, and then I'm going to add it to a bowl, which I am then going to add about a 1/4 cup of mayo. This is going to be the sauce for our burger. And then I'm going to come through and add about a tablespoon of Dijon mustard, and then I'm going to come through with the juice of 1 lemon. After juicing the lemon, I'm going to give this a really good mix, and then I'm going to start adding the garlic to it. Okay, then I'm going to add 2 cloves of garlic. I'm just going to go ahead and mince those real quick and give this another good mix before I move on to the butter sauce. This is going to be crucial. So we want to heat up a stick of butter in a bowl, whatever you want, and then add in a few cloves of garlic. This is going to be something we're going to base the burgers in. So after adding the garlic, I'm going to go ahead and add in about 1.5 tablespoons of smoked paprika. You can use regular paprika, perfectly fine. Then about 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce. Then we're going to go ahead and give this a really good mix before we start our burgers. Okay, so now we're going to go to our Wagyu ground beef. You can use whatever kind of ground beef you want to use, whatever kind of meat. And I'm going to add about 2 to 3 tablespoons of pepper, and then about 1.5 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce, and about 2 to 3 tablespoons of salt. So, of course, salt and pepper to taste, because everyone is different with how much salt they want and how much pepper they want. And make sure you give it a good mix and then form it into some balls. So I got about 4 decent sized balls here. Yeah, balls. And I'm going to go ahead and test my pan, not putting my hand in my pan. I have it on about medium to high heat, making sure it's hot. And I'm going to go ahead and drop these in and then press them down. And I'm only about able to do 2 in here because I'm using my pan, couldn't use my grill today. And yeah, these are so easy. We're going to move on to the basting process now. All right, so for the basting process, I'm just going to drop in that butter mixture that we made earlier, and I'm going to go ahead and just smother the patties with it, and I will then tip the pan very carefully and just take a spoon and baste on these burger patties. I'm telling you, this came out so damn juicy, which is something that some people struggle with when it comes to smash burgers, and I'm really glad I figured this out because, this was so freaking awesome. So then I'm going to give it a little flip here, a little flippity flip, whatever you want to say, and then add in some nice American cheese that I got from my deli. So put that in there, let that cheese melt down, and we want to save this gristle here at the bottom. Why? Because I want to lightly toast the buns in this, and we're ready to plate. All right, so for plating, just going to go ahead and start off with our sauce at the bottom bun and just spread it all amongst there, and then I'm going to come through with some sliced pickles, put those all throughout the bottom. Then we're going to move on to our burger patty. Go ahead and put 1, 2, 3, 4, however many you want, stack it up, put the burger patty on there, and then we're going to move on to some really nice pickled red onions. I've covered pickled red onions quite a bit on my channel, very easy to make. And then I'm going to go ahead, add some arugula to the top. And honestly, we need some more sauce. So put some sauce on top. And there we go. We are ready to eat this shit. Okay, we're done. So I'm gonna go ahead and try the burger now. Looks awesome. So smells awesome. And honestly, it's gonna be good. So let's try it. I have no napkin. So it's my arm. If I can mass produce this, I think that this burger would kill it. So, without further ado, I gotta say here, this burger is awesome and you should definitely try it. So, thank you so much for watching to the end of the video, and yeah, let's keep cooking. Cheers. I gotta take another bite. Oh.